We're good? Two wires are not touching?
I don't think so.
Well, it looks good here. Here we go.
Alright, what am I supposed to do with this?
Hold on, let me get there.
Alright.
You can pick it up, but don't touch anything. Or don't touch a button, I should say. All right.
I'll use this.
So, step back, sir. Here we go. Can I get a 5-second countdown? Make sure everybody's out of the way. 5.
You just press that, is it?
4. 3.
This?
You have to push both buttons, 2 hands.
These?
Red light.
Oh my god, I see it!
Come on. What a rocket! Yeah, no, that was pretty bad.
Mister. Oh, you ready? Where is your rocket?
I put it right next to you.
Oh, there it is. Hello. Hi, what's your name? I'm Coach Knight. You're Beverly?
No, Devin.
Devin, nice to meet you. You're up.
Wait, that's your firework?
My wings were back. Yeah, but it went up and it went pretty far. Yeah, pretty far.
To be honest,